On January 12, 2023, a tornado struck right through here. In fact, the eye of the tornado went right over our church and, of course, destroyed the buildings. We hired a new civil engineer to come out and help us decide what we're going to do, where we're going to put the building at. We hired an architect, and now you see behind me some of the fruits of all of that. Through all this, we've been able to get the equipment we needed. It's been an easy experience. Alex has made that very comfortable and very easy. When we asked for the delivery dates, of course, we had the convenience of knowing exact dates, and he was able to get the equipment here on exact dates. We even had to make a change and upgrade some equipment, and he took care of that quite quickly in just a couple days, even before we needed it. Thank you, Thompson and Alex, for helping us get through this.